Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, alter and altar, or alter and alter. So, alter, to change something, make it more applicable, to change. I can't alter the decisions. Can you alter the shirt? These belts need altering. They need changing. Yeah. The building won't alter over time. It will stay the same. It'll stay the same and won't change. Yeah. Very good. We need to alter the direction we're going. Rather than going that way, we need to alter it so we go that way instead. Yeah. How do I alter these options? These rules. These rules need changing. Can we alter them? Can we alter them? But altar is a table in a church where mass is served from. So this here, the altar. Yeah, altar. The altar at the front is very holy. You need to be careful when putting things on the altar. They need to move that altar for a while. This altar will be used during Mass. How old is the altar? How old is the altar? Yeah. These days, the altar is made from wood. Yeah. So altar, a table in a church where Mass is served from. An altar, to change something, alter the rules, alter the settings, alter the material, alter the dimensions. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use alter and alter in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.